Today we are going to be talking about capitalization and proper nouns. So when should words be capitalized in your sentences? Well, to start with, the first letter of any sentence that you write should be capitalized. For example, in this sentence, you must always use a capital letter at the beginning of every sentence. The Y is capitalized because it is the first letter in the sentence. And in this sentence, my favorite color is turquoise. The M is capitalized because it is the first letter in the sentence. It doesn't matter what sentence you're writing, the first letter needs to be capitalized, or the first word needs to be capitalized. So getting into proper nouns, we're going to look at names because specific names of people or things should always be capitalized. So for example, Sue Smith here, her name, first name, Sue, the S is capital, last name, Smith, the S is capital. If she had a middle name, it would also be capital. John here, John Smith. His first letter of his name is capital. His last letter of Smith is, or the first letter of Smith is capital. And if he had a middle name, it would also be capital. So very specific names need to be capitalized. Even if it's your dog or your cat or your fish, its name needs to be capitalized. So Rover here, he has a capital R on his name. Superman! His name is capitalized. Characters in movies, their names are capitalized. Characters in books, anybody's name would have a capital letter. Holidays. Any holiday is going to have a capital letter. For example, Christmas has a capital C. Valentine's Day, the V and the D are part of the name, so they are capital letters. Halloween has a capital H. Thanksgiving is a capital T. Easter is a capital E. And any other holiday, Veterans Day is capitalized. Independence Day, the I and the D would be capitalized. Any holiday, the first letters should be capitalized of each word in the holiday. Months and days, they should be capitalized. For example, all of the months of the year are here: January, February, March, April, and they all have capital letters at the beginning. These are the specific names for the months, so they do need to be capitalized. Days like Wednesday, so Monday needs to be capitalized, Tuesday, capital T, Wednesday, capital W, Thursday, capital T, and so on. All of those days are capitalized. Specific places. So, for example, if you're going to Disney World, the D would be capitalized and the W would be capitalized. Now, if you're saying, I'm going to a theme park, that's not a specific place. That is just saying a theme park. It is not capitalized in that situation, but Disney World, what else? Silver Dollar City, that all of the letters of each word would be capitalized. If you're going to the store, you would not capitalize the word store, but if you say, I'm going to Walmart, the first letter would be capitalized. If you say I'm going to Target, the first letter is capitalized. Any store is a specific name for a place, so it is a proper noun and it is capitalized. A city, if you just say the city is not capitalized, but if you're specifically naming your city, Olathe is capital O. State, the word state is not a specific place, so the word state is not capitalized, but the specific state is capitalized. So you'd have a capital K on Kansas, for example. United States, capital U and capital S on those words because that is a specific country. This also goes for continents, Asia, capital A. Europe, capital E. So it's just, if you're talking about a specific place and you're saying its name, then it does need to be capitalized. Our school, Washington Elementary, capital W, capital E, that is the title of our school. That is its specific name. So the word school is not capitalized if you say I'm going to school. But if you say I'm going to Washington Elementary, the Washington and elementary words would be capitalized in that situation. All right, specific things, name brands of things. For example, if you were to say candy bar is not capitalized. But if you're like, I'm going to go eat a Twix, Twix is capitalized. That is its name brand. Same for Snickers. That is a name brand. It would be capitalized. Hershey's, name brand, would be capitalized. Skittles, same thing, name brand, it would be capitalized. If you're playing a video game, so if you say video game, like I'm going to go home and play a video game, you would not capitalize the video and the game. But if you were saying I'm going to go home and play Fortnite, that is a specific name for a video game, so you would capitalize the F in Fortnite. If you say I'm going to go put on my shoes, you would not capitalize the word shoes. But if you're writing I'm going to go put on my Converse All-Stars, that is a specific brand name for shoes, so you would capitalize the C and capitalize the A and S because you capitalize each word. Now, in a book, you capitalize the important words in a book title. So, for example, in Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, Charlie, chocolate, and factory are capital, but we don't capitalize the words and the. And a lot of times you can get this information from looking at the title of the book, which words should be capitalized. But anytime you're writing a title of a book in your writing, you should capitalize the important words. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you learned about capitalization, and good luck.